Hey Funnixies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm bringing the part 2 of the previous video, which was DIY handmade boy doll. And today in this video, I'm gonna transform him into this style. And I was getting so many requests to bring this tutorial as soon as possible. So here it is, let's get it started. So guys, as you know, this was how my doll looked, and I just took the sandpaper and I scrubbed it off a little bit more just to get it even and start painting it. So of course for that I'm using this acrylic paint into the skin shade, and I'm using it to paint all the body parts. Once that is done, let's make his inner wears, and for that again I'm using different colors of acrylic paints, and of course you can use any other color you want. Then for the hairs I'm using it for the brown shade, and then of course the facial expressions. So you have to make his face very nice and subtle. And then for the hairs, of course I'm using my brown wool. I'm this time not using the silk thread because of course he's a boy, so his hair should be a little bit like that, textured. So after that I'll just tie a knot and then start combing it until I get this kind of texture. And once that is done, I'll just use my fabric glue and I'll start sticking it. Alright, so now let's give him a proper haircut for the proper hairstyle, and I'll just cut off the extra wool. Okay, so this is how he looks right now, as you can see. So now what I'll do is that I'll start making his dress. So now over here I've taken this blue colored fabric, and as you can see it's pretty stretchable just because it's for the jeans. So guys, I've taken this fabric. I could have also used the jeans fabric, but I didn't because the boy doll has to bend nicely. So if you use that kind of fabric, it will not be so much possible. So you can take any other stretchable and the same colored fabric, and you have to cut this shape out, which is for the jeans, and then you have to stick it from the middle. Guys, I'm not using hot glue gun at all in this tutorial because you guys requested me to do that. So I'm using my fabric glue, and I'll just stick off the fabric, as you can see, this way, and then I'll just roll it outwards. Once I'm done with that, let's make him wear the jeans. Alright, so now I'll use my glue again and I'll start sticking the jeans to his body. So one leg is done. Now the same way I'll do with the other one as well. So once that is done, this is how it looks, as you can see. Now I've taken this black and greyish colored fabric, and this is also very nice and stretchable. I'll just cut it from the half, as you can see, like this. Then what I'll do is that I'll fold it from the middle and then cut this part of the area. This is the neck area, you can see. And then I'll just start sticking it. So first I'll start sticking it on the back side and then on the front. So this way, and in this look I've decided to make him for the sleeveless cut type of t-shirt. So that's what I'm doing. And this is a very nice fabric sticker. I'll stick that also. Even you can paint anything on the clothes if you want. Then what I'll do is that I'll take this brown cardboard, cut out a shape of his leg, and then what I'll do is that I'll stick it on this fabric. But before that, I'll just turn the fabric and roll it from the middle. And I'll do this for both of the fabrics. So once that is done, it will give you something like this. Now what I'll do is that I'll stick it over here. First I'll insert this cardboard, and then this is what it looks like. Once that is done, I'll stick the fabric with the cardboard, and then I'll just use this glitter foam sheet in the color black, and I'll make the shoe base. And then I'll stick it on the shoe base. So once that is done, this is how it looks. I'll just make him wear these boots. And when he's done wearing these boots, I'll just take my glue and I'll stick it over here like this. So this is what the completed look looks like. Then just to complete his look, I'll make a sunglass, and you can make it in any style and color you want. So you can see this is what the sunglass is looking right now, and I've taken the measurement for his face, and then according to that I'm drawing this. Okay, so now I'll cut it out, and this is what it looks right now. Then of course I'll paint it with my black acrylic paint. And ta-da, it's done. Now what I'll do is that I'll stick the pockets and all, and this is the final look, guys. This is how my boy doll Ken looks right now, and this is the final look. I've also completed his look using this wristwatch, and it's also made out of black foam sheet, just the cutout, and this is how he looks. You can just see how nicely he can fold his hands and legs, and how different styles he can stand in and pose. So this is what it looks like, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. You're gonna see a lot of dress up videos coming really soon on my channel, and including girls and boys, all of them. So make sure you tune in for that. Till next time, bye bye.